How to ride a horse with one arm. If you're disabled, sometimes you need to learn how to do things differently than other people. But you can do it. Steps. 1. Get a parent, guardian, or friend to help you tack up the horse until you have had enough practice and are able to do it by yourself, but always make sure someone is around. 2. On the left side of your horse, lead it to the mounting block and climb on. If you have a right arm, you should be able to lead the horse to a mounting block by yourself, but if you are missing your right arm, have a parent, guardian, or friend lead the horse for you, or you can create your own way to lead, even if you have to train your horse to lead on its right. 3. Grab the reins in your one hand, either left or right, whichever one you have. If you are a beginner rider, have a parent, guardian, or friend help you. But if you have been riding with one arm for a while, you should be able to do this by yourself. 4. Depending on whether you ride English or Western, use the appropriate leg movements. Leg movements should be a cinch if you have both legs. 5. Most horses know how to turn just by leg movements, but if your horse still needs you to use the reins, move the arm to the opposite side of the horse from the direction that you want to go. For example, if you want to turn left, gently move the reins to your right. 6. When dismounting, make sure you have a good grip on the saddle with whatever hand you have. 7. Have fun and enjoy riding. Tips. Just because you don't have an arm, that doesn't mean you can't do anything. Get active. Make sure your left foot is out of the stirrup when dismounting. Warnings. Be prepared to slip up and make a mistake. You are new at this type of riding style. Always make sure you have a parent, guardian, or someone you trust to help you ride. Wear nothing that can get caught on the saddle when mounting or dismounting. Make sure the horse you have is mellow and can understand the new methods you are using with it. Things. Horse. Saddle pad. Saddle. Bridle. Helmet.